everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Friends.
Hi, everyone. I am Ben.
And I am Emma, and we are so happy you are here with us today.
Yeah, thanks for listening. It feels like we are all in one big classroom together.
So, Ben, how are you feeling today? Any travel plans in your mind?
Oh, yes. I have been watching all these travel videos, and I keep thinking one thing.
What is that?
I am scared of getting lost. Like, really scared.
Oh, no.
I imagine myself in a new city, maybe in another country. The streets are crazy. I cannot read the signs. My phone dies. And I stand there thinking, what do I say?
Wow, that is a very clear picture, and I think many listeners feel the same.
I know some words. I know how to say hello, thank you, maybe ask for the bathroom. But when I'm lost, my brain just stops.
Your brain says, bye-bye, I am out.
Exactly. I worry I will just stand there like a tree and say nothing.
Okay, so today is perfect for you. Today, we have one simple idea.
One idea?
Yes, when you are lost, you do not need many sentences. You really need one strong, friendly phrase. Then you can add easy information after it.
One phrase? Like a magic key?
Yes, like a magic key. When you have this key, you can open many doors. You can ask for directions, ask for help, ask for a map, anything.
That sounds good already.
And before we give the phrase, I want to say something to our listeners.
Go ahead.
Getting lost is normal. Even local people get lost in their own city. A new train line, a new bus stop, a small hidden street. It happens all the time.
True. I even get lost in the supermarket.
So if you get lost while you travel, it does not mean you are bad at English. It just means you are human.
I like that.
And your English does not need to be perfect to get help. You just need one clear, polite phrase.
Okay, I am ready. What is the magic phrase?
The main phrase is this. Listen carefully. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Yes, that is it.
That is really the only phrase I need when I am lost?
It is the only phrase you truly must remember. After that, you just give small details. For example, excuse me, could you help me, please? I am a little lost. Or, excuse me, could you help me, please? I am trying to find the train station.
Oh, I see. So the first part is always the same, the magic key.
Exactly. The first part is your safe home. You can always come back to it.
Let me repeat it one more time. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Nice. And notice the feeling. It is polite, soft, friendly. Not a command, not rude.
Yeah, it feels gentle.
So, listeners, let me give a small signpost here. We just learned the key phrase. Now we are going to use it in a real situation.
Oh no, here comes the hard part.
Do not worry. We will do a role play. Let us imagine you are a traveler in a new city. I am a local person on the street.
Okay, I am nervous already. Ha ha ha.
Good. That makes it real. First, I want you to try without thinking too much. Do not use the phrase yet. Just say something in your own way.
All right, I walk up to you and say,
Where station?
Aha. Okay, hold on, Ben.
That was bad, right?
It was not terrible. I understand you want the station, but it sounds very short and a little bit strong. No greeting, no soft start.
I sound like a robot. Where station?
A little. So let us fix it. First, we add our magic phrase.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Great. Now add a short detail. For example, I am looking for the station. Put them together.
Okay. Excuse me, could you help me, please? I am looking for the station.
Beautiful. That is already so much better.
It feels better in my mouth.
Listeners, let us signpost again. We first saw the direct robot sentence. Then we made it soft and polite with our phrase. Now we will do the full role play.
All right, I am ready.
I am walking on the street. I hear you behind me.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Oh, sure. What do you need?
I am looking for the central station.
No problem. It is 2 streets straight ahead, then turn left near the big supermarket.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Wow, that was easy.
See, with one phrase, you opened the conversation.
I like that you said, "What do you need?" It shows the phrase really works.
Yes, native speakers understand you want help. They will usually stop and listen.
Can we try another place? Maybe a hotel.
Sure. This time, imagine you are lost at night. You cannot find your hotel. How would you start?
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Great.
I am lost. I cannot find my hotel, the Green Star Hotel.
Very nice. Maybe we add, do you know where it is?
Okay. Excuse me, could you help me, please? I am lost. I cannot find my hotel, the Green Star Hotel. Do you know where it is?
That is wonderful, Ben. It is clear, polite, and not too long.
I feel a little proud now.
You should. And listeners, this is an important point. You do not need many complex words. Simple sentences are perfect when you are stressed or afraid.
True. When you are lost, you do not want long grammar.
Exactly. Short and clear wins. Okay, now I want to do something I call Ben's work analysis.
Oh no, a test.
A small one. I want you to tell a mini story. Imagine yesterday you arrived in a new city. You went out for food and then you got lost. Tell the story in 3 or 4 simple sentences and use our phrase one time.
All right, let me try. Yesterday, I arrive in Paris. I walk around and see many cafes. Yum, they smell so good. After dinner, I am lose. I cannot see my hotel. I say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" And a woman show me the way back.
Nice job, Ben. Okay, listeners, let me quickly analyze that. This will also help you. First, the good parts.
Please, I need some good news.
You used a little story. You said yesterday, you talked about walking, cafes, dinner. That is great. You also used our magic phrase inside your story.
Yes.
Now, 2 small corrections. You said, yesterday I arrive in Paris. Because it was in the past, we say, yesterday I arrived in Paris.
Right, past tense, arrived.
Then you said, after dinner, I am lose. The idea is good, but the vocabulary is not perfect. We say, I am lost, not I am lose.
Oh, I always mix those.
Many learners do. Lost is the adjective here. So the correct sentence is, after dinner, I was lost. I could not see my hotel.
Let me say the whole story again with your corrections.
Good idea.
Yesterday, I arrived in Paris. I walked around and saw many cafes. Yum, they smelled so good. After dinner, I was lost. I could not see my hotel. I said, "Excuse me, could you help me please?" And a woman showed me the way back.
Wow, that was really good.
I feel my English brain is waking up.
Listeners, notice the pattern. First, Ben just tried. Then we looked at what was good. Then we fixed two small things. You can do this with your own sentences too.
Write a story, then check it.
Exactly. Now I want to focus on pronunciation for a moment.
Okay, this is always interesting.
Let us look at the phrase, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?" First, the feeling. This is not a shout. It is not a strong order. It is like a soft wave.
A soft wave. I like that image.
The voice starts normal on "excuse me," then stays calm on "could you help me," and then goes a little up and friendly on "please."
So, excuse me, could you help me, please? With a small rise at the end.
Yes, exactly. Also, we do not cut the words too much. We do not say every word like a robot. It is not, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?"
That sounds very strange.
Instead, the words join a little, something like, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?" The sound in the middle is soft.
Excuse me, could you help me please?
Nice. But if that is hard, do not worry. Clear and slow is better than fast and messy.
So I can choose. For now, I can say it more slowly.
Yes. Let us practice together for our listeners. I will say a line and you repeat.
Got it.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Excuse me, could you help me please?
One more time, a little softer. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Excuse me, could you help me please?
Beautiful.
Wow, I feel like I can actually say this on the street now.
That is the goal. Now, I want to show how we can add extra information after the phrase, but still stay simple.
Great, give me some ideas.
I will say the phrase, then I will add a short second sentence. You listen first. Excuse me, could you help me, please? I am a bit lost.
Okay.
Next one. Excuse me, could you help me, please? I am trying to find the bus stop.
Right.
Another one. Excuse me, could you help me, please? I need to get back to my hotel.
These all feel very possible for me.
Now you try to make two examples.
All right. Excuse me, could you help me please? I cannot find the metro.
Good. One more.
Excuse me, could you help me please? I think I walked too far.
I love that one.
It is true. I always walk too far when I travel.
Listeners, let me give a quick recap so far. First, we talked about the fear of getting lost. Second, we learned our magic phrase, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?" Third, we used it in real role plays and in a short story. And then we practiced the sound and rhythm.
Nice little map of the episode.
Exactly, a map for your ears. Now, I want to connect this to real life for you, Ben.
Okay.
Next time you travel, how will you use this phrase? Tell me a real situation.
Let me think. I arrive in a new city. I want to try a famous food street because yum, street food is my favorite. I walk, I turn, I watch the buildings, and suddenly I do not know where I am.
Classic.
I feel a little nervous, But I remember this episode. I go to a friendly-looking person and say, "Excuse me, could you help me, please? I am trying to find the food street."
And then they smile and give you directions.
Yes, maybe they even walk with me and show me the best local place.
Wow! Free local guide.
All from one phrase.
Listeners, this can be you too. You do not need perfect grammar to have a nice moment like that.
True. You just need the courage to say the first words.
Exactly. Okay, we are almost at the end, so let us do one last recap.
All right.
The most important phrase today is, "Excuse me, could you help me please?" Use it when you are lost, when you are confused, when you need directions.
Then add one simple sentence. For example, I am lost, or I am looking for the station, or I need to find my hotel.
Keep your voice soft and friendly. Remember the small rise on please.
And remember that getting lost is normal. You are not stupid. You are just exploring.
I love that. So here is your homework, friends.
Oh yes, homework time.
In the comments, write 3 short sentences. In one of them, use our magic phrase. For example, tell a story about a time you were lost, or imagine a future trip.
We will read them and we will cheer for you.
And if you want extra practice, say the phrase aloud 3 times today. Maybe in your room, maybe in the shower, maybe while you walk.
Make your mouth remember it.
Yes, take your mouth to the gym.
Aha, the Travel English Gym.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
You are all doing great. Really, you are.
Keep going, keep smiling, and do not be afraid to ask for help.
We are your easy English friends, and we are cheering for you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.